Kicking off our list is the Chevrolet Camaro, an American muscle car icon that debuted in 1966 and became a legendary symbol of performance. The Camaro combines aggressive styling with powerful engine options, making it a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. Its distinctive split bumper design and muscular proportions make restoration projects highly sought after, especially early first-generation models that showcase classic American automotive engineering at its finest. Next, we feature the Ford Mustang, arguably the most recognizable classic car ever produced. Introduced in 1964, the Mustang revolutionized the automotive industry and sparked the pony car era. Original models with their iconic long hood and aggressive stance remain highly valuable investments, with pristine restorations commanding premium prices in the classic car market across America, Europe, and Australia. Coming to our list is the Dodge Challenger, a muscle car that defined an era with its bold design and raw power. Released in 1970, the Challenger represented the peak of American muscle car culture, with its menacing appearance and performance capabilities. Collectors prize well-restored examples for their dramatic styling, powerful engine lineup, and cultural significance in automotive history. Up next stands the Chevrolet Corvette, America's sports car that has maintained relevance across 7 generations. The early Corvettes from the 1950s and 1960s represent the pinnacle of classic American sports car design, featuring stunning curves and innovative engineering. Their lightweight construction and powerful V8 engines make them exceptional driving experiences that continue to attract serious collectors globally. Our fifth entry showcases the Chevrolet Bel Air, a 1950s classic that epitomizes the golden age of American automotive design. With its distinctive tricolor schemes and chrome detailing, the Bel Air represents post-war prosperity and optimism. Restoration projects of these cars are highly valued for their iconic styling, reliable mechanical components, and nostalgic appeal to vintage car enthusiasts. Featured here is the Porsche 911, a German engineering masterpiece that revolutionized sports car design when introduced in 1963. The 911's timeless silhouette and innovative rear engine layout created a formula that remains largely unchanged today. Classic 911s from the 1960s and 70s are considered investment-grade automobiles, prized for their handling characteristics and enduring design excellence. Making the list is the Oldsmobile 442, a powerful American muscle car that delivered serious performance credentials. Launched in 1964, the 442 established itself as a heavyweight in the muscle car wars with impressive acceleration and robust construction. Well-maintained examples represent the golden age of American performance, attracting dedicated collectors who appreciate authentic muscle car heritage and power. Included in our selection is the Buick Grand National, a turbocharged American muscle car legend from the 1980s. The Grand National became an icon of performance during its era, offering surprising acceleration and aggressive black-on-black styling. Its turbocharged V6 engine and distinctive appearance make it increasingly sought after by collectors, recognizing it as a pivotal moment in American automotive performance history. Representing American luxury is the Lincoln Continental, a full-size sedan that epitomized elegance and sophistication in mid-century America. The Continental featured distinctive suicide doors and elegant proportions that made it a status symbol among the wealthy. Restoration projects of these vehicles appeal to those seeking classic American luxury combined with commanding presence and exceptional craftsmanship. Showcased here is the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, an American muscle car that combined European sports car styling with American performance. The distinctive split front end and dramatic body design created an unmistakable presence on roads everywhere. Trans Am models from the 1970s remain highly desirable among collectors for their unique aesthetics, strong performance capabilities, and cultural significance in automotive history. Gracing our list is the Jaguar E-Type, widely considered one of the most beautiful cars ever created. Introduced in 1961, the E-Type featured stunning lines, powerful performance, and innovative engineering that set industry standards. Early examples remain highly sought after by discerning collectors and museums worldwide, commanding significant prices for their timeless beauty and mechanical excellence. Featured prominently is the Aston Martin DB5, forever immortalized as James Bond's iconic vehicle in film history. The DB5 represents British luxury and performance at its finest, combining elegant styling with genuine driving capability. These handcrafted vehicles are highly collectible, representing the pinnacle of 1960s automotive craftsmanship and remaining status symbols for collectors with refined taste. Highlighted here is the Lamborghini Miura, a pioneering supercar that introduced the mid-engine sports car layout to the world. Launched in 1966, the Miura featured Italian design excellence and cutting-edge performance that dominated the supercar segment. Its revolutionary design and stunning appearance make original examples extremely valuable investments, considered among the most important sports cars in automotive history. Our collection includes the Plymouth Barracuda, an American muscle car that predated the Ford Mustang's pony car competitors. The Barracuda offered distinctive styling and genuine performance options that appealed to enthusiasts seeking alternative muscle car experiences. Well-restored examples, particularly early models, remain highly valued for their unique design language and important place in American automotive muscle car heritage. Completing our list is the BMW 3.0 CS, a European Grand Tourer that demonstrated German engineering and design sophistication. The 3.0 CS featured elegant proportions, strong performance credentials, and reliable mechanics that appealed to discerning drivers. These understated classics continue gaining appreciation among collectors who recognize their refined engineering, timeless styling, and driving dynamics that define European automotive excellence.